Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to size off a picture in Microsoft Word. Want to check the exact size of an image in Microsoft Word? Whether you're resizing a photo or ensuring correct dimensions, I'll show you how to find image size in Word easily. The first step is to select the image, and to do that, just open Microsoft Word and then click on the image you want to check. Let's upload this right here. Click on open, click on insert, and then click on pictures, and then click on device and browse and look for your picture. For example, I'm gonna choose a picture from my downloads folder and I'm gonna upload this. As you can see, the image is uploaded. The second step is to view image size and picture format tab. Once the image is selected, go to the picture format tab and look for the height and width values in the size group. Let's go to the picture formats. And then look for the height and width values in the size group, which is the top right. And this shows the current size in inches and centimeters. The third step is to check the image size in pixels. And to do that, just browse to the image trajectory. For example, this is the image. As you can see, this is the image. Now I'm gonna look for its properties. I'm gonna right click and then click on properties and then click on details, and as you can see here, these are the dimensions, the width, the height, etc. To resize an image without distortion, check the lock aspect ratio box in the size and options window, and for high quality prints, use images with at least 300 dpi resolution. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you find the size of an image in Word. Whether you need dimensions in inches, centimeters, or pixels, this method makes it easy to adjust or optimize your pictures. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.